morning, grade 6. Our lesson for today is about coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunction. Conjunction is a word that connects other words or phrases or clauses. Example: Father collected the trash before mother put in their proper containers. The conjunctions here is before. Another example: Sally prepared the food while Fred prepared the table. While is the conjunction. And number 3, even though Jan was tired, he continued sweeping the street. Even though is the conjunctions. Let's study the following examples, word to word. Most children like ice cream and cookies. And is the conjunction. Phrase to phrase. The treasure is hidden in the cave or behind the old wall. The treasure is hidden in the cave is a phrase, and behind the old wall is also a phrase. Clause to clause. What she says when she delivers lectures and what she does when she is at home are different things. There are 3 kinds of conjunction. One is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions joins equally important words. The most common ones are the fanboys. F for formal speaking and can be substituted with because. A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet. Yet is formal speaking and can be substituted with but. And S for so. Be careful not to mistake a preposition for a conjunctions. Okay. The conjunction for, used to show reason. Examples: I hate to waste a drop of milk, for it is very expensive these days. And the use is to join or add words together in the sentence. Example: his 2 favorite sports are football and tennis. Nor shows negative choice. Example: Bill refuses to eat peas, nor will he touch carrots. Next, the conjunction but. But shows opposite or conflicting ideas. Example: my dog enjoys being bathed, but hates getting his nails trimmed. Or, the conjunction or shows positive choice. Example: you can eat your cake with a spoon or fork. The conjunction yet shows contrasting ideas. Example: it was early, yet we were all ready for bed after our long hike. And the conjunction so shows results. Example: I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat any meat. More example of coordinating conjunction. Elise and May shopped for clothes and shoes at the mall. Next, would you rather have cheese or sausage on your sandwich? I wanted to go to the beach, but Mary refused. And, or, and but are coordinating conjunctions. The number 2 kinds of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connects two clauses together so that one clause becomes dependent upon or a subordinate to others. Examples: as Grace blew out the birthday candles atop the cake, she made a wish. Number 2, Leo sneezes violently whenever he inhales polluted air. And number 3, even though Diana persevered in the math exam, she still did not pass it. Here are some of the subordinating conjunctions. When you talk about time, you can use after, before, since, when, whenever, while, until, as, once. If reason, use because, since, so that, in order that, and why. And for concession, use although, though, even though, while. And place, where, and wherever. While if condition, use if, unless, until, in case, provided that, assuming that, even if. And for manner, use as if, as though, and how. More examples of subordinating conjunction. Number 1, my father believes that I should be a writer. Number 2, he inspires me always because he believes in me. And number 3, he will always support me whether I succeed or not. And the number 3 kinds of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunction work in pairs to join words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: both cats and dogs make good pets. Number 2, either Monica will bring drinks or she will bring brownies. And number 3, my uncle is not only a doctor but also a pharmacist. Pairs of correlative conjunctions. Just as, so too. Neither nor, such that, scarcely as, either or, as many as, no sooner than, rather that, and both and. More examples of correlative conjunctions. Both and. Example: both my brother and my sister work with their friends in the neighborhood. Either or, for dessert, you may have either papaya or mango. Not only, but also. The language teachers are not only intelligent but also friendly. As and as, my dog doesn't eat as much as your dog eats. Thank you, grade 6, for listening. God bless you and see you again next time.